Tired of endlessly scrolling through your Apple Music playlists to delete songs one by one? I'm here to show you how to quickly delete multiple songs from any Apple Music playlist on your iPhone, iPad, or even your computer, saving you tons of time. First, let's open the Apple Music app. Once you're in the app, tap on the Library tab at the bottom of your screen, then select Playlists. Now, choose the playlist you want to clean up. Find the playlist title and tap the three dots, also known as an ellipsis, right next to it. A menu will pop up. Select Edit. This will take you to the playlist editing screen. Now you'll see little circles with minus signs on the left side of each song. Tap on the minus sign next to each song you want to remove. After tapping the minus sign, a delete prompt will appear. Tap Delete to confirm that you would like to remove the song from your playlist. Repeat this process for all the songs you wish to remove from the playlist. When you're done deleting songs, tap the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen. On your computer, using iTunes or the Music app, find your playlist, right-click anywhere in the playlist window, and select Show Column Browser. If you have more than one song to delete, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select multiple songs at once. Then, right-click on one of the selected songs and select Delete from Playlist. That's it. You've successfully deleted multiple songs from your Apple Music playlist. Now you can spend less time managing your music and more time enjoying it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Apple Music tips and tricks.